Welcome to Health Talk Friday Reports. Today's topic is gunshot wounds and children. It is now the leading cause of death for children age 1 to age 19. This is 2022 statistics. Before, the leading cause of death for that age group was car accidents, drug overdoses, and cancer. So when I came upon this kind of news item, I was really shocked and dismayed. I called up my pediatrician friends, and we were all in shock. There are also long-term consequences of this statistic. First of all, more pediatric hospitalizations in the ICU for taking care of these children, these babies, these teenagers, and mental health issues for their survivor families, the people, their siblings who outlive them. And these costs are also borne by society in terms of hospital costs, doctor costs, mental health visits, and what it means for a traumatized family to go on, and loss of work time from the parents, and just the shock of dealing with the loss of a child in a family. There's also things to consider, what it means for the community, the school, to see young children lose their lives to gun violence. It's interesting to note that June 25th, President Biden signed into law with some restrictions for guns and gun ownership. They are incentives for states to make people who have been convicted of gun violence and domestic abuse cases that they need to have their guns taken away, but this is only incentives. This is not a law prohibiting them. In addition, there's some suggestions for some states to have more lengthy time periods of when you buy the gun, purchase the gun, and when you actually get the gun, so that there's a time check period for people buying guns age 18 to 21. Again, it is state by state, so these are new restrictions, but they're not as deep and thorough as President Biden wanted them to be. So think about it. When the Constitution thought about possession of guns, there were limits to how much gunpowder they could have. So nowhere did they mention assault weapons or rapid fire weapons. So it's something for us to think about. It's different from just having rifles to shoot and hunt animals to have food. So we've created a society where we're accepting of this statistic that gun violence is now the leading cause of death for children. So something for everyone to think about, to write to their lawmakers, for you to think about how can we protect the young people and how to protect our community and still have a sense of community and society and what's good for us going in the future. Thank you for joining us on Health Talk Friday Reports. This is Dr. Gloria Wu. Thank you for joining us.